Punjab government is in a bit of a crisis, essentially because of two factions within the Congress party. The rebel faction led by Navjot Singh Sidhu, who believes that Captain Amrinder Singh government and the Chief Minister himself are a little soft on the Akalis. With us, joining President of Shiromani Akali Dal, Sukhbir Singh Badal, to discuss whether whatever is happening in Punjab is because of his party. Welcome, Mr. Badal.
Can't hear him. I can't hear anything.
Can you hear me? Are you getting me?
Yeah, now I'm getting you.
Are you getting me now? Are you getting me now?
Yes, I'm getting you. Can you repeat the question?
Right.
Please?
So the charge is, yes. So the charge is that all the problems in the Congress government in Punjab are because the captain there, Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister, is essentially running Badal Sarkar. You are running the government by proxy. That's the charge of Navjot Singh Sidhu.
When last 4 years, when he was good with the Chief Minister, when he was a minister in the cabinet, why didn't he say that time? Just because he's been not accommodated. So now he wants to link us. They cannot run their, cannot wash their dirty linen on us. They have been a failure. The captain has been a failure. It's a corrupt government. And Navjot Sidhu, as you know, is a frustrated person. He changes stand every minute. The same Captain Navjot Sidhu used to praise Captain Amrinder Singh as the main hero of Punjab. And being
but
part
after
of his
coming
cabinet,
to power, he believes the captain has gone soft on you.
Navjot Sidhu was part of the ministry. He was part of the ministry for 2 years. Why didn't he say that? 3 months back, when Navjot Sidhu went to meet Captain to make him a minister, when Navjot Sidhu was touching his feet, he never gave a statement. Why is he giving now?
Then what, according to you, Mr. Badal, what according to you is the problem? What according to you is the problem then within the Congress government in Punjab?
Congress government, we have a chief minister who has never come out of his house and now the farmhouse. Can you imagine? COVID situation has been in the country for more than a year now. Chief minister hasn't come out of his farmhouse. Secondly, you from the RTI just find out how many times has the chief minister visited the office of the chief minister in the last 4.5 years? Not more than 11 times. A chief minister who does not meet people, he does not meet ministers, who has not come out of the house. He has not visited Punjab. You call him a chief minister? There's a frustration within the Congress because they've lost the base. People are not letting them enter the villages. They know the 6 months they have to face the electorate.
Well, Mr. Badal, you seem to be in agreement with Navjot Singh Sidhu, but then that brings me to the second charge, the issue of sacrilege, the religious issue, on which I think it happened when you were in power. You were the Deputy Chief Minister. I remember, in fact, interviewing you in Delhi at that time. On that issue also, Navjot Singh Sidhu believes that Captain government is actually very protective of you.
When sacrileges took place, when our government was there, Navjot Sidhu's wife was one of the ministers. Secondly, as soon as the sacrilege took place, we started the investigation. Captain Amrinder Singh and the Congress approached the people, started saying, please give it to the CBI. We don't want investigation by the local government. We immediately gave the whole inquiry to CBI. It was not under our control after that. And immediately Captain swore on Gupta Saab that he'll catch the culprits and as soon as he becomes the Chief Minister. What happened? 4.5 years, they just played politics, and the High Court has given a clear verdict that 4.5 years, Captain never was interested in finding the culprits. He was interested only in defaming the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Badal family. All the time, 4.5 years, they just kept on saying, we will arrest them, we will arrest them. What happened? Because they were only paying.
Well, I'm not understanding, Mr. Badal. I'm not understanding. Are you in agreement with Navjot Singh Sidhu or are you in agreement with Captain Amrinder Singh?
I am not in agreement with Navjot Sidhu because what I'm saying is Navjot Sidhu and Captain were both playing politics in this. Navjot Sidhu was part of Captain's cabinet for last 3 years. Why didn't he not say the thing, catch the culprits that time? Just because he's been thrown out, he wants to say things like that. Why didn't he say that when he was in the cabinet for 3 years? Same Navjot Sidhu's wife was in our cabinet. She kept quiet that time. Because they are out of power, they want to take advantage of being out of power and say whatever they want to do.
Well, irrespective of all the charges flying thick and fast, it seems for now the storm has blown over for the Punjab Chief Minister, and the Congress party seems not to be in a mood for any change of leadership. But then, whatever has happened in the Congress and its factions, has it in any manner helped the Akali Dal? Because this is an election year, this is an important question to ask.
Captain Amarinder Singh's government is the most incompetent government Punjab has ever seen. Your latest scam is a vaccine scam. A government who can sell vaccines to make money out of it rather than saving the lives of people doesn't deserve to stay even a minute in government. That's the type of government that Captain Amarinder Singh has given. From this disease, they're trying to make money out of it. What type of chief minister is he?
Well, I believe you have raised it at the right platforms. But Mr. Badal, my next question would be, if Congress is in a disarray, or at least seems to be, and you seem to be in ascendant, what would be the positioning of the Akali Dal? You know, is there any possibility, despite the farmer protests going on, of the Akali Dal in any way coming back to the BJP fold?
No, not at all. What BJP has done against the farmers in Punjab and the nation, and 400 to 500 farmers have lost their lives, and the Prime Minister is not even ready to talk to the farmers. How can you expect anybody to align with BJP? Even when we were in
Well,
BJP,
the fact of the matter is that the farm laws have been kept in abeyance. Farm laws are not coming into force anytime soon. Farm laws are in abeyance and they're not coming. They're not coming to effect anytime soon.
We are not asking for the farm laws in abeyance. We are saying scrap them. When the laws which are made for farmers and farmers don't want the laws, why should the government continue with the laws?
Then tell me, if the farm laws are not there, if the government says that, okay, fine, they would not come, would you be in a position to engage with the BJP?
No, not at all now. Because what they have done, we have lost.
Then would you be in a position to engage with Navjot Singh Sidhu if he comes out of the Congress party? I'm asking a provocative question.
No, he's a madman. Nobody wants him. He's the most unreliable person. He's a misguided missile which can land in anybody's territory and destroy. Yeah, I think he's a self-destructive person.
All right. All right. So Navjot Singh Sidhu, maybe if he's listening, he would want to respond to you on our platform. And he's a misguided missile, as you say. Captain Amarinder Singh, according to you, is not running the government. And you are not going to get into a truck with BJP, at least till the time there is more clarity on whether the farm laws are going to remain or not. Thank you so much, Mr. Badal, for giving this interview to Republic TV. Back to the studio.